Hi, this is Miss Serratus. In this video, we look at the micro chat assignment, which is one of the tutorials. So make sure you click on it and do the tutorial. I've already finished it. This is what it looks like when it's done. A couple of things I want you to pay attention to is in order for this to work, you need two microbits. So it would be one for you and one for your partner. And they both need to be set to the same radio group. What that means is kind of like think about the same channel. So pick a number. I'm going to randomly do 52. So if I have 52, my partner needs to also be on 52. And then the other thing is right here. This is the message that's going to appear when you press the A button. You can have it say something, whatever you want, you can change. So the way this works is both have the same number. You download this code onto your microbit. Your partner downloads it onto their microbit. And when one of you presses the A button, the string will show up on the opposite microbit because they talk to each other. So because you're doing it with somebody else, you can just show both microbits working at the same time, and one video between the two of you will be fine. So have fun with this. Bye.